Making your resume shine. Quantify your accomplishments. Hey learners! Have you ever wondered how you can make your resume stand out? Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most powerful resume writing techniques: quantifying accomplishments. By the end of this video, you'll know how to effectively use numbers and data to demonstrate your achievements and impress potential employers. Whenever recruiters go through resumes, they come across countless generic statements. Phrases like managed a team or improved sales are common, but they don't offer any specifics. By quantifying your accomplishments, you provide a clear picture of what you achieved. Numbers offer concrete evidence of your capabilities, making your claims more believable. Let's look at some examples to understand the power of quantification better. 1. Managed a team becomes managed a team of 15 members. 2. Improved sales becomes boosted sales by 20% in the first quarter. 3. Reduced expenses becomes cut down operational expenses by $50,000 annually. By adding numbers, the statements instantly feel more impactful and believable. Here are some ways to effectively quantify your accomplishments. 1. Use specific numbers. Instead of saying many or several, use precise numbers like 15 or 100. 2. Highlight percentage increases or decreases. If you've improved or reduced something, mention it in percentages. 3. Use monetary amounts when relevant. If you saved money for your company or made a significant sale, mention the exact amount. 4. Be truthful. It's crucial to remain honest. Exaggerating numbers can backfire during the interview process. Not all roles or tasks are easy to quantify. If you're in a position where it's challenging to use numbers, think about 1. Scope and scale. Even if you can't use exact numbers, providing a scope, e.g., managed large-scale events catering to over 500 attendees, can be impactful. 2. Comparisons. If you improved a process, compare the before and after scenarios. 3. Use non-numeric quantifiers judiciously. Words like frequently, numerous, or several can be used sparingly when exact numbers aren't available. Quantifying your accomplishments can make a significant difference in your resume. It offers clarity, adds credibility, and helps you stand out from the crowd. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and techniques of quantifying your achievements. Here's to crafting a compelling resume and landing your dream job. Cheers!